Spocket overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Spocket, which is an online platform that connects dropshippers and suppliers, primarily focusing on products from the United States and Europe. It allows dropshippers to discover and import high quality goods to their online stores easily. Spocket facilitates fast and reliable shipping, offering a wide range of products at wholesale prices, enabling entrepreneurs to scale their e-commerce business efficiently. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So we have the dropship section where we have the trending products, bath and beauty, women's clothing, kids and babies, and so on. A lot of categories. Here we have the integrations. As you can see, you can integrate this platform with your Shopify store, your AliExpress store, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, Equid, Square, BigCommerce, eBay, Alibaba, and so on. You have the partnerships like the suppliers, affiliates, top partners, and here you have the winning products, resources, and the pricing and the login button if you already have an account or if you want to get started. So they have, it's free to get started. As you can see, no credit card required. And before getting started, let's check the pricing of the platform. So I think they have four plans. Yes, they have four plans. As you can see, they have the free one, which is $0. This plan is for entrepreneurs who want to browse Pocket's catalog of products. So it's for the ones who wants to browse the platform's products. And this one is the starter plan for boost sales, $40 a month. And after the 14-day trial, so you can also try this one for free. 25 unique products, email support, 24/7 chat support, AliExpress drop shipping. Here we have the Pro plan, which is for $60 a month and with its all features. And here we have the $100 plan with all its features also, and all the plans offer a 14-day trial. So let's get started with the free one. You can try it for free from here, or you can get started from here. So let's go and try it for free. So we wait for it to load. So after signing up, this is the dashboard of Spocket. So let's close this one for now. Close. So as I was saying, this is the dashboard of Spocket. As you can see, you can browse through products from here. We have a variety of products, as you can see. So we have a lot of dropshipping products and a lot of categories to search from. And if you want filters, you can apply filters from here. And here, as you can see, the US and Europe products, AliExpress products, as you can see, if you want to download Ali Scraper free, which is a Spocket tool that will find your products in AliExpress, and here you can browse through the winning products. So to unlock this page, we have to wait. So I think let's reload it. We wait for it to reload. So I guess we can't access this page for now. We need to purchase a plan, a paid plan. As you can see, we need to select a pricing plan, as I thought. so it's not easy to access this. The winning products section. So we go back to the main page. We skip this section. You can't access the winning products section because we need to purchase a plan, a paid plan. We have the private label. I think from the name you can't access it either because as you can see it's private. So you have, if you want to try Jubilee free, how it works. We have the image search if you want to search for a product by its image, and here we have the import list, products, your orders, notifications, supplier chat, and the academy, which is new. It's where you start and grow your dropshipping business. They taught you how you can start learning email marketing, Facebook, Instagram, starting fresh, or SEO, or sales, or traffic. And here you have your store. If you want to connect your store with the platform, so you can connect your Shopify store or your BigCommerce, eBay, Wix, Squarespace, Phoenix, Equid, and a lot more. And here you have the settings. If you want to change your plan, or you want to change your account settings like your email, or you want to sign out, or you want to add your payment information or your membership billing, here you have the members. If you want to add more members to your account, here you have the store if you connected your stores, and the global pricing rules as you can see. And here you have the apps if you want to integrate more apps to the platform like AliExpress or Alibaba. So let's go back, let's exit this page and let's go back to the main page that we started from. And here let's go to the partnership section and we go to the affiliates. So from this place you can earn money from just referring friends and family. As you can see, become a Spocket partner and make money with affiliate marketing by sharing Spocket with your friends and followers. Earn up to 1K annually for every customer you refer. So for every customer you refer and that customer proceeds to buy a plan to start with this platform, you get a 1K from just one customer you refer. So imagine referring 5 or 6. So to start earning, you just hit start earning now and it will take you to the Spocket where you can join now. So you hit join now. You just leave your email address or you sign in with your Google and then you proceed to continue and you will be able to join the Spocket partner program or partner stack. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.